Well, hello. Today I decided to go ahead and give this worm bin some fresh new bedding. This is my outside worm bin. I'm trying to see how many worms will multiply in this bin within the next 3 months. So let's take a peek and see what's going on for now. A few worms on the top, but let me dump it and re-put new bedding in, then we shall go from there. Well, this is dumped. Fresh bedding's in there. Some food scraps. Didn't want to deprive my worms to live in worm castings, so I think they deserve to live in a better environment. These are the same worms that I put in a couple weeks ago. They are multiplying. There's all types, juveniles, adults, and cocoons still in this bin. So we'll check this one back in 3 months to find out the total population increase. But all I would do with this one is just feed it and just take care of it and make sure everything's good to go. And this one's definitely going to stay outside, and we'll see how this one plays out. Well, not too much going on, so subscribe, like, and leave a comment. You guys have a great day. Bye.